pet the chicken again? Pet the chicken. Very good. Very good. Very good. Yeah. Are you feeding the chickens? Oh, that's so good, Jakey.
They are eating it.
Can you close the door? You don't want to close the door to the chickens. But the chickens have to stay in, Boom Boom. Close the door.
Let's pet this black chicken. Little chicken. Hello, little chicken. Hello, little chicken. Hey, get down. Thank you.
Huh?
Those people have a baby.
Jakey, do you want to pet the chicken again and then we'll close the door? Oh, you don't want to close the door, huh? Good job petting the chicken. Say bye-bye, chickens. You don't want to say bye-bye, chicken.